Hi guys, this is Paul. Hope you're okay. This is my unboxing of the Kylie Minogue Tension Tour Live CD and vinyl from her official music store, which I bought direct. Here we go. The CD cover, the spine, and the reverse for the track listing. There's also a booklet. So yeah. CD1. Lots of pictures from the performances of the tour. Yeah. Oops. There you go. Yeah, there you go. CD1. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, got loads of pictures, yeah. A set list of the performances. The autograph is pre-signed. Vinyl. There you go. Yeah. Vinyl 1. Gatefold. Vinyl 2. Yeah. Just in case. Yeah. Yeah. So I absolutely love having this as part of my Kylie collection. Yeah. So yeah, brilliant having this. That was my unboxing of Kylie Minogue's Tension Tour live on LP and CD. I will provide the links to the items from her official music store in the description box below. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be doing more unboxing videos soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.